Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we got us a nice little scratch all here. I want to get this thing cleaned up. I got to show you what brand it is. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well let's get a good look at this. This is the scratch all that we're going to clean up today. I picked this up a couple of weeks ago during a flea market haul. It was in one of the toolboxes that I purchased. I got two toolboxes for $20. I'll put a link in the description below for that video if you guys haven't seen it. But yeah, I almost put this in a resale bin. I'm glad I didn't, because I just threw it on the wire wheel just to see what brand it is, and look at that. It's a Stanley Sweetheart. So I think this will go absolutely awesome in my Sweetheart collection. I say we jump right into this and get this one cleaned up and saved. Let's go. Alright, well that is a lot shinier. Much cleaner. You can probably read Stanley on there a lot better. Okay. Silky smooth. I like that. That's nice. This is going to be a really good addition to the Sweetheart collection. Let me tape the ferrule off and we can start sanding on the handle. Let's clean it up some more. Alright guys, we're going to start off with a red mahogany. We're going to kind of two-tone this thing. I think it'll look pretty cool. I want to get the red mahogany down first. Then I want to go over it with another color. We're going to let that dry up. Yeah, we're going to let this dry up, and then we'll go over it with another coat to make it just a little bit darker, but it's going to be of a different brand, so hang on. Then we're going to go over it with Early American. I think the combination between the red mahogany and the Early American will really make this look kind of nifty. At least that's what I'm hoping for. Alright guys, well the stain dried up on this nicely. We're going to throw as a coat of lacquer on there. Preserve the color that we got, and then we're going to wax it up. So we're going to give it one coat, let it dry, then we'll come back over with another coat, and quite possibly a third if we need it. Alright, well the lacquer is all dry. Came out pretty nice, I like that. We're going to throw as a coat of Minwax finishing paste on there. Give it a nice coat. It'll keep it real soft. And what the hell, we'll even do the metal too. It's not going to hurt it. Nice. There it is, guys. Little Stanley Sweetheart Scratch All. Came out really, really good. I'm happy with that. Alrighty guys, well the Stanley Sweetheart Scratch All came out really, really nice. I like the shade that we got on the handle. The metal polished up perfect. This will be a nice quality piece to go into the Sweetheart collection. So I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.